Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some really sad news. Like my female polar parrot, cichlid, severely nipped the fins of my goldfish Olivia. As you can see, her fins are nipped so severely. Like, excuse me, Mr. Junior. Yeah. So as you can see, like her dorsal fin, her tail fins. Here you can see her dorsal fins, her tail fins, the fins under the belly, all have been severely nipped. I discovered this issue 2 days ago, so I had to separate my polar blue parrot cichlid as it was being way too aggressive and was constantly nipping Olivia. So I added some medication, as you know, Ridol General 8, and now the condition is much better. Well, Olivia is okay. She's active, eating, but her fins are really severely nipped, as you can see here. And well, let me show you my polar parrot. Well, here is my polar blue parrot cichlid. Well, I had no other choice but to separate it. Here you can see. Well, I know that this container is not sufficient, but for, at the present time, I don't have any other solution. I tried returning it to my local aquarium, but they refused to take it. Well, no other people keep aquariums near my house, so this was the only option I had to keep it in a separate container. Well, the polar parrot also seems to be active here. Well, I'm like mechanically aerating the water sometimes to make sure that the oxygen quality is sufficient. Well, let me show you. Here it is. Well, the polar parrot here seems to be okay. It has also eaten its food, and there doesn't seem to be much problem. Well, this container is just temporary until I find a proper solution to it. So yeah, this was all for today. Well, I really don't know what I would do next. So this was all for today, guys. Thanks for watching.